the assassin.
Who the hell are you?
Tell me how to find him.
How do I find Wendigo?
I have no idea.
Would you look at that?
416 Rigby Mauser. And fully loaded, no less.
An African bull elephant weighs 14,000 pounds, and this can bring one down. I happened upon one of those magnificent creatures in the Zambezi Valley, and one of these came in quite handy.
You shot an elephant?
Lord, no. I shot the poacher that was about to kill the elephant.
I know a place that he stayed at before. I'm not sure if that's where he is now, but I can give you an address.
Of course you can.